What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at some of coolest gadgets that are worth try on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 1. Fairing Keychain Stash. Introducing the Fairing Keychain Stash by Aircrafted, a compact and versatile solution for carrying emergency cash or medication wherever you go. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, this titanium everyday carry EDC accessory is designed to meet the needs of modern travelers and adventurers. Compact and portable, the Fairing Keychain Stash is available in two sizes, small and large. The small size is perfectly dimensioned to hold one folded US bill, while the large size can accommodate two bills, along with other small essentials like toothpicks, matches, or even a lockpick set. Its compact design ensures easy carry without adding unnecessary bulk to your keychain. Durable construction, crafted from grade 5 titanium, known for its exceptional strength to weight ratio and corrosion resistance. Number 2. SHARKZ knife. Introducing SHARKZ, the micro knife that redefines the concept of compact cutting tools. With its innovative design, premium materials, and exceptional performance, SHARKZ stands out as the ultimate solution for on-the-go cutting needs. Unrivaled construction, crafted from grade 5 titanium, SHARKZ boasts unparalleled durability and resilience. Its waterproof and fireproof properties make it virtually indestructible, ensuring it can withstand even the toughest conditions. The unique blade, made from 90% tungsten carbide and a proprietary blend of materials, sets new standards for sharpness, hardness, and longevity. Compact yet powerful, despite its miniature size, SHARKZ packs a powerful punch. Measuring just 5 centimeters, it effortlessly fits into your wallet, attaches to your keyring, or clips onto your backpack. This tiny titan is always at the ready, providing you with the cutting edge you need for any challenge. Innovative design, SHARKZ revolutionizes the concept of keychain cutters with its upside-down orientation. Unlike traditional designs that require detachment from the keyring, SHARKZ remains securely attached, ready for immediate use. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort and precision with every slice, making it the ideal companion for everyday tasks. Virtually indestructible, engineered for rugged performance, SHARKZ is built to last. Number 3. LABEAR Black Mini Folding Ratchet Wrench Set. The LABEAR Black Mini Folding Ratchet Wrench Set is more than just a compact tool, it's your reliable companion for on-the-go repairs. Whether you're a cyclist tackling the trails or a DIY enthusiast, this multi-tool offers the convenience and versatility you need to handle various tasks with ease. Complete multi-tool set, this set includes everything you need for quick repairs on the go. With one 72-tooth ratchet and 5 1/4 by 5 mml bits including hex and star bits, you'll have the versatility to tackle a wide range of tasks. Easy to use, the folding storage handle allows for easy carrying and storage, making it perfect for emergencies. Its lightweight and portable design, along with the keychain attachment, ensures you can take it with you wherever you go. Safety lock. The safety lock feature ensures safe and effortless use. Simply press and hold to pull out or retract the ratchet head, providing added peace of mind during repairs. Number 4. Fitorch K3 Lite. Illuminate your path with the Fitorch K3 Lite rechargeable LED keychain light. Rechargeable convenience. Say goodbye to disposable batteries. The Fitorch K3 Lite comes with a micro USB rechargeable feature, ensuring you always have power at your fingertips. Simply plug it in and recharge for continuous illumination. Powerful illumination. Don't let its small size fool you. With a maximum output of 550 lumens, this keychain light packs a punch. Whether you're navigating dark alleyways or searching for lost items, the Fitorch K3 Lite provides reliable brightness when you need it most. Versatile lighting options. Equipped with UV and red auxiliary LEDs, the Fitorch K3 Lite offers more than just white light. Use the UV light for detecting stains or the red light for preserving night vision. Its versatility makes it a handy tool for various situations. Sleek and durable design, crafted from aluminum, the Fitorch K3 Lite combines sleek aesthetics with durability. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it ideal for everyday carry, ensuring you're always prepared, no matter where life takes you. Stylish color options. Number 5. CLVX CLVX 1 Keyboard. Discover a new era of keyboard control with the CLVX CLVX 1 keyboard. In this review, we'll delve into its innovative features, customizable options, and why it's a game changer for PC users seeking seamless interaction and performance. Touch sliders. With touch sliders, navigation becomes fast and intuitive. These precise sliders, integrated directly into the keyboard, offer instant control without the need to move your hands. Scroll, swipe, and make gestures directly on the keys, enhancing your interaction with applications and software. Wireless typing experience. The CLVX 1 features wireless connectivity and scissor switch mechanical keys, offering a typing experience akin to laptop keyboards. Enjoy the tactile feedback and low-profile design, ensuring comfortable and efficient typing sessions. Customizable touchpad functionality. Experience seamless transitions between typing and gesture control. The touchpad is automatically blocked during typing and activates for gestures, providing versatility and ease of use. Customize sensitivity and actions in the accompanying app to suit your preferences. Number 6. XOPX3 Hunting Climbing Steps. Upgrade your hunting setup with the XOPX3 Hunting Climbing Steps. The V-bracket design of the XOPX3 climbing steps ensures a solid bite on the tree, providing hunters with confidence and stability while ascending or descending. Versatile configuration. These climbing sticks can be compactly stacked or locked together side by side using the XOP slide lock system. This versatility allows for easy transportation and customization of your climbing setup. Built to last, with a durable, abrasion-resistant powder coat finish, the XOPX3 climbing steps are engineered to withstand the rigors of hunting environments. Whether you're traversing through dense forests or rocky terrain, these climbing sticks are up to the challenge. Enhanced accessibility. Integrated aider attachment points make it easier for hunters to attach aiders, providing additional assistance during climbs. This thoughtful feature enhances accessibility and convenience in the field. Number 7. PPT Human Hoist Chair. Introducing the PPT Human Hoist Chair, a revolutionary tool designed to enhance mobility, ergonomics, and safety in various work environments. From its versatile features to its ergonomic design, this chair redefines how tasks are performed, providing unmatched comfort and functionality. Battery check functionality. Before using the chair, ensure the batteries are fully charged for optimal performance. The easy-to-access buttons allow you to check the battery status effortlessly, ensuring you're always ready to go. Dual battery configuration. The chair accommodates to batteries for extended usage. With 2 batteries, you can enjoy over 200 lifts, providing continuous operation throughout the day. Magnetic tool trays conveniently store small nuts and bolts with the built-in magnetic tool trays. The trays feature a pivoting design to prevent damage to items when the chair is lowered.
Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.